It's late, you're exhausted, but no matter how hard you try, sleep just won't come. You're tossing, turning, and replaying your day in your head, or maybe scrolling through your phone, hoping the next video will magically lull you to sleep. Sound familiar? If this is you, trust me, you're not alone. Millions of people are in this same frustrating cycle, feeling tired but wired night after night. It's like your body forgot how to sleep, and the effects aren't just about feeling groggy the next day. Poor sleep takes a toll on your energy, your mood, your health, and yes, even your productivity and relationships. Did you know that nearly 70 million Americans suffer from sleep disorders? And it's not just about tossing and turning. Poor sleep is linked to increased risks of heart disease, diabetes, depression, and even early mortality. But here's the good news. There is a way out of this cycle. So if you've been wondering why you can't sleep and more importantly how you can fix it, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to explore the science of sleep, uncover the hidden reasons for your sleepless nights, and give you practical, research-backed strategies to finally fix it for good. Let's get started. Before revealing why you can't sleep and how to fix the problem, you need to first understand what sleep is all about. Sleep isn't just downtime. It's one of the most complex and essential biological processes our bodies perform. Let me break it down for you in simple terms. Scientists are still uncovering all the reasons we need sleep, but here's what we know so far. Sleep is critical for three main reasons: restoration, memory consolidation, and energy regulation. During deep sleep, your body repairs tissues, grows muscles, and strengthens your immune system. At the same time, your brain processes memories and organizes information from the day. Think of it like this. Sleep is your body's maintenance crew and your brain's filing system, all working behind the scenes to keep you functioning at your best. Sleep is regulated by circadian rhythm and sleep pressure. Your circadian rhythm is your body's internal clock, syncing with light and dark cycles over a 24 hours period. It tells you when to feel alert and when to wind down. Meanwhile, sleep pressure builds up throughout the day. It's driven by the accumulation of a chemical called adenosine in your brain. The longer you're awake, the more adenosine builds up, making you feel sleepy by evening. Once you're asleep, your body goes through a series of sleep stages in 90-minute cycles. These include light sleep stage, where your body starts to relax and your heart rate slows. Deep sleep stage, which is the most restorative stage, essential for physical healing and immune function. Rapid eye movement, or REM sleep stage, where dreaming occurs and your brain processes emotions and memories. Each stage plays a unique role, and together they form a complete system of rest and recovery. If you're waking up groggy, it might be because you've interrupted one of these stages. When it comes to sleep, there's one big question. How much sleep do you really need? And just as important, does more sleep always mean better sleep? The National Sleep Foundation recommends 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night for most adults. However, what matters more than just the hours is the quality of that sleep. Quality sleep means spending enough time in all stages of the sleep cycle: light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep. If you're constantly waking up during the night or not reaching deeper stages, even 10 hours won't feel refreshing. So it's essential to focus on both the quantity and quality of your sleep. When you find the right balance of sleep quantity and quality, you'll wake up feeling ready, not just to face the day, but to thrive. If sleep is such a natural process, why does it feel so impossible for so many of us? The reasons are often hidden in plain sight, rooted in our daily habits, mental health, and sometimes even our biology. Let's break it down. First, let's examine our bedtime habits. Here are some of the common bedtime activities that affect our ability to fall asleep. Engaging in screen time right before bed. The blue light emitted by phones, tablets, and computers tricks your brain into thinking it's daytime. It suppresses melatonin, the hormone that tells your body it's time to sleep. Even a short burst of screen exposure at night can delay sleep by hours. Limit screen time at night. Stop using screens at least an hour before bed. If you must, use blue light blocking glasses or apps that filter blue light. Irregular sleep schedules. Staying up late on weekends and waking up early on weekdays disrupts your circadian rhythm, making it harder to fall asleep consistently. Consistency is the secret weapon for better sleep. Here's how to craft the perfect routine. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This reinforces your circadian rhythm and sets a schedule for you to sleep. Create a wind-down ritual by spending 30 to 60 minutes before bed doing relaxing activities like reading, meditating, or gentle stretching. Lower the brightness in your home as bedtime approaches by dimming lights. This signals your brain that it's time to wind down. Your routine doesn't have to be complicated. It just needs to send a clear message to your brain. It's time to sleep. Caffeine, even consumed 6 to 8 hours before bedtime, can reduce sleep quality because it interferes with production of adenosine, tricking your brain into thinking it's not yet tired. This means that late afternoon coffee can still affect you at night, therefore it is advisable to cut caffeine after 2 p.m. While alcohol might make you drowsy, it actually disrupts your sleep cycles, particularly REM sleep. Stick to water or herbal teas like chamomile or valerian root to help you relax without interference. Avoid heavy meals before bed. Large rich meals can cause indigestion, keeping you awake. Aim for a light dinner at least 3 hours before bedtime. The nature of your sleeping environment significantly affects your sleep. Your bedroom should be a sleep sanctuary. Here's how to make it work for you. Darkness is key. Light disrupts melatonin production, so invest in blackout curtains or wear a sleep mask. Even small lights from electronics can interfere with sleep. Maintain cool temperatures in your bedroom. The ideal sleep temperature is between 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit. Use fans, air conditioning, or breathable bedding to stay cool. A quality mattress and pillows tailored to your sleep position can make a huge difference. Remember, comfort isn't a luxury, it's a necessity for good sleep. Reduce noise in your sleeping area. If you live in a noisy area, use white noise machines, earplugs, or soft background sounds to drown out disruptions. A well-designed sleep environment eliminates distractions and helps your brain associate your bed with rest, not wakefulness. Stress and anxiety are some of the biggest obstacles to restful sleep. If you overwork, you end up bringing work stress into the bedroom. This is why your mind races at night. You're not just lying in bed, you're reliving arguments, planning tomorrow's to-do list, or worrying about things outside of your control. When this happens, your brain starts linking your bed with frustration, stress, or even work, especially if you've been overworking and can't mentally switch off. This is a common issue for people who work late into the night. Your mind stays active long after your body is ready to rest, making it harder to fall asleep even if you feel exhausted. Unfortunately, stress doesn't just delay sleep, it reduces its quality, making it harder for your body to fully relax and recharge. On the other hand, did you know that going to bed when you're not tired can actually harm your sleep? It might sound counterintuitive. After all, more time in bed should mean more rest, right? But here's the catch. Forcing yourself to sleep before your body is ready can create a negative association with your bed. Instead, listen to your body's natural cues. Only go to bed when you feel sleepy, not just tired. And if you can't fall asleep after 20 minutes, get up, do something relaxing, and try again when you're genuinely drowsy. This reinforces the idea that your bed is a place for rest, not frustration or overthinking. Stress and an overactive mind are two of the biggest sleep blockers. But there are some powerful bedtime activities to help you relax. Mindfulness and meditation can lower cortisol levels and calm your racing thoughts. Spend 5 to 10 minutes journaling or writing down your worries or tasks for the next day. This helps you clear your mind and avoid rumination. Practice progressive muscle relaxation. Lie down and tense, then relax each muscle group, starting from your toes and moving up to your head. Reflect on 3 things you're grateful for before bed. This can shift your focus from stress to positivity. The goal is to turn your bedtime into a time of peace and relaxation, setting the stage for deep, restorative sleep. Let's talk about 2 lesser discussed culprits that can wreak havoc on your sleep. Jet lag and medications. These factors can throw your body's natural rhythms completely off balance. Jet lag occurs when your body's internal clock or circadian rhythm is misaligned with the local time of your destination. Crossing multiple time zones can make it hard to fall asleep or stay awake when you need to. The result? Sleepless nights and groggy days. To minimize jet lag, gradually adjust your sleep schedule to match the new time zone a few days before travel. During your flight, stay hydrated and expose yourself to natural sunlight upon arrival to help reset your internal clock. Certain medications like stimulants, antidepressants, or even some over-the-counter allergy and cold remedies can interfere with your sleep. They might keep you awake, disrupt your sleep cycles, or make it harder to feel rested. If you suspect your medication is affecting your sleep, talk to your doctor. They might adjust your dosage, change the timing, or recommend alternatives. Never stop or alter your medication without consulting a healthcare professional. Sometimes the reasons for poor sleep go beyond habits and stress and may involve medical conditions or sleep disorders. Sleep disorders can be categorized into three: difficulty falling asleep, behavior and movement disturbances during sleep, and excessive daytime sleepiness. Chronic insomnia is the most common sleep disorder. This is when trouble falling or staying asleep persists for weeks or even months. It's often linked to changes in lifestyle and mental health disorders like stress, depression, schizophrenia, and PTSD. Another common disorder is obstructive sleep apnea, a condition where breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleep, causing excessive snoring and frequent awakenings. This leaves you feeling tired no matter how long you sleep. Restless leg syndrome is a neurological condition that creates an uncontrollable urge to move your legs, particularly at night, disrupting your ability to fall asleep. Rapid eye movement sleep behavior disorder is a sleep disorder in which you physically act out vivid, often unpleasant dreams with vocal sounds and sudden, often violent arm and leg movements during REM sleep. Narcolepsy is a chronic neurological disorder that affects the brain's ability to control sleep-wake cycles. If you have narcolepsy, it makes you very sleepy during the day and can cause you to fall asleep suddenly, which can have adverse effects on your daily life. If you suspect you have a sleep disorder, it's essential to seek medical advice. These conditions often require professional treatment or specific interventions to improve. The bottom line? Poor sleep isn't just a nuisance, it's a health risk. The good news is that most sleep problems are fixable, whether they're rooted in habits, stress, or medical. The key lies in creating an environment, routine, and mindset that support your body's natural rhythms. Imagine waking up every morning feeling rested, energized, and ready to tackle whatever life throws your way. That's not a dream, it's a reality you can create by making sleep a priority. Here's the truth: better sleep isn't just about adding years to your life, it's about adding life to your years. When you fix your sleep, you're not just changing your nights, you're transforming your days. So take that first step tonight, because you deserve to feel your best every single day. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's struggling to sleep. It might just change their life. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips on personal growth and living your best life. Thanks for watching, and here's to better sleep and brighter days ahead. I'll see you in the next video.